These directions are for your level up tutorial on informational text. So when you get into your Canvas homepage for your language arts class, you're going to go to modules, which of course we're going to go to our quarter 4 module with working with craft and structure and informational writing. You're going to look for your level up tutorial, informational writing. Here are the directions. I'm going to read the directions to show you the visual ways to get to your sources to complete this assignment. So you're going to go to your textbook, your Florida Collections textbook online. Remember, there's 3 ways to get there: through Canvas resources right here, through Clever, either through my HRW or online textbooks. So I've clicked my HRW. HRW, you get a dashboard. The others lead you straight to the textbook. If you go to my HRW, please remember it defaults at 6. You need to change it to 7. And then you go into your student ebook. You can also do it through the other ways I mentioned as well. And then you're going to go to page 77 on your textbook doc. To the left, you're going to select the resources folder. So once you're in there, you are going to make sure it's page 77, which it is, Magic in the Brain. And then you are going to go to the resources folder on the right. I'm sorry, on the left, which is right here. Then you're going to click Magic in the Brain, and you're going to go to your Level Up tutorial on informational text. When you get there, you're going to complete your tutorial and practice. You're going to start the practice, which goes through 14 pages. Here's what they look like, and you're going to type in the tab and the practice quiz. Going to enter your score in the text box below. This is not a grade, it's a completion that you were able to go through the practice and review and be introduced to how you're going to be analyzing informational text at a 7th grade level. So once again, you go to your online textbook for Florida Collections, page 77, click the resources folder, click Magic in the Brain, click the Level Up tutorial, complete the practice, the tutorial, go through the tutorial with the interactive inputs and do the practice test. Only 6 questions, and then in the text box below, please submit your score. And it's not a grade, just a completion that you were able to get your knowledge focused on informational text. Any questions, you can also Canvas inbox me. Thank you.